Hello, today is November 21, 2015. My call from Thursday night was that we had some MEJT targets, about 2086 plus. They were hit immediately and they were retested, and there was support just under that price. During the day, the only signal from MEJT was that this drop is a false move and that we have a target of 2092.83, most likely to print on Monday. Well, that's my call for Monday, but I should point out that it's so close to where we closed that it's going to be hard to make any money by trading off that call. So we have to look at other things. In general, gapping up and dropping all day is not a favorable pattern, particularly on a Friday. It tends to carry over into Monday, but it's not so bad when after dropping all day long you can't really close under the middle of the day low. If we're going to see this high, it should probably come pretty early. And if we have a gap under this low, I don't think we're going to see it at all. Let's not forget we still have this target of 2068.70. Longer term, it's pretty good that we closed over the price of the FOMC announcement, but if we gap down Monday, then all this business here is just a false move and leaves an eyelid reversal. We are still on a sell signal. On the 30-minute chart, we have bar number 18 of countdown. If we get bar number 22, the signal usually fails. So if we rally a lot more from here, we probably aren't going to get the drop that the signal calls for, and when these things fail, they fail in a large way. So if we rally, it could have legs. Longer term, here's the case for the top being in place. Here's our significant trend line connecting these lows. Here's our Fibonacci target of the prior consolidation, and each of them meet right here at the recent high from last month. We had a strong drop. We've had a slow rally. We're trying to recover the price from which that drop started. We had one retest. I would be suspicious if we retested it again, meaning if we went a lot higher, something else might be happening. But let's not forget that this rally has been much longer in duration than the drop, and it's been overlapping and is therefore likely to be corrective and retraced at some time. And if we undercut this low, it would be the second challenge of the diamond on stilts, and those tend to fail in a very large way. So next week should be interesting. Thanksgiving week usually has a positive bent to it. We do have a slightly higher price, but it's only slightly higher. If we are going to drop from here, the ideal situation would be a gap down, and if we do not, and we have a rally that lasts a few more bars, it could have more legs than that. In general, there's a good chance that we've hit the high for the move, but if it fails in a large way. And the call for Monday is 2092.83, but if we gap under this low, don't look for it to print. And that's today's call.